So this is Foldimate. Foldimate is a robotic laundry folding machine. As you can see here, this is our prototype. And you can see this lovely lady here feeding each item in every few seconds. It's really simple, very fast. It actually is folding with a simultaneous folding technology. So as she's feeding each item in, it's really fast. Every few seconds you can feed in another item. A whole laundry load will take between 2 and 4 minutes to fold. Go down there now. There's a nice shot. And then when it's full, just take your items out. Very easily. They're all nicely folded, ready to put in your closet. We will start shipping at the end of 2019. The price at the moment, the target price is $980.